They say, quick, get your phone. Friend's over here. I wonder what she's done. Hi, sheeps. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. So 3 babies, 2 mums. That's normal. Oh, friend, you had a baby. You're so clever. Hey, there's a second set of legs. There's a second set of legs. Did you have twins? Oh, you clever mum. She had twins, you guys. You're the best. Well done, Mama. They're beautiful. Oh, they're freshies. That's why. Hi, Mama. Well, hi.
Hi, friend.
Oh, they're gorgeous. Can we have a look, Mama? Hi. Hi. Hi, Mama. Oh, you're so sweet. Twins. Good job, Mum. Kids?
Good.
Woo.
Yeah.